We find ourselves as, yeah, that's how we'll start. We find ourselves as tourists in Sofia who haven't really seen anything. And as the rest of the world is, many things are closed in Sofia. So we decided to do something that didn't involve museums, that didn't involve shops. So we thought we'd do a street art tour today. So we're 16 blocks away from the city center, and we're going to see the best street art that Sofia has to offer. And it has a lot to offer, as you can see here. I kind of feel like I'm in a 90s hip-hop movie. I'm straight out of Mossman. But really, I come from a Anyway, our first one is just on the other side of this bridge, but as you can see, everywhere you go, there's really cool street art. We're in Hadzi Dimatar. So this is the place where all of the street art starts. And this one is probably the most iconic. It's by Bosco. It's called the 90s. So this is actually one that we weren't planning on finding. It's not in the website that we were looking at. It's only 2 years old. It was done in 2016 by Bosco also, so the same guy that done the last one. But it is epic. It's so detailed. It is brilliant. This is so good. It's worth coming out to see.
So this is number 2 on our list. It's called Surprise, and it's the Polish crew representing, called Itam.
It's number 3 on the list.
Oh, it's number 3, guys. Number 3.
Number 2 on the official list, because we just came across the other one accidentally. Itam crew. Surprise. We actually don't know anything about street art, but when we came to Sofia, there's graffiti everywhere, and so I thought I'm gonna look it up because it's really cool. So we don't know who this Boz character is, but we googled it, and he's an internationally renowned street artist from Bulgaria. We're enjoying his work, and there's a really big famous one in the middle of the city that's new, so hopefully one of these days we can go check that one out also. This dog runs our neighborhood. Hey buddy, see ya. See you later, big dog. He doesn't speak English. Way to ruin some good art.
Hey, what's that sign? What emblem is that?
Penis.
Not what I was talking about. I didn't even see that.